the camera's facing shite, poop, crap.
Now tuned into the greatest.
I'm heading down to shoot a video with some friends. I actually have 2 video shoots today. The first one's for me, and my friends Steph and Nikki are gonna be in my little dance video, and then Steph's boyfriend Mike is coming and he's gonna film it just on an iPhone, which I haven't done before, but the quality's so good, so I think that it's gonna turn out great. And we just met up at Steph's house, and now we're going down to the location. It's a beautiful day and I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm gonna take you along for the ride, and the dance video will be coming out soon. I'm actually really excited. Haven't done like an outside shoot for a while. This is the perfect opportunity to vlog some more. Yeah, and if you're new, subscribe if you like this video, because basically this is the type of things that I'll be doing. I'm gonna roll down the windows because it's so freaking hot, and I'll just see you guys when I get to the next thing. Okay, peace. Okay, we're at the location. I don't know where my friends are, but let's take a look. Wow! Yes, this is where we'll be shooting the first shot, but this is the setup. We ready? You ready, Mike? We're not, it's okay, let's practice.
I'ma just rap. Yeah. Get on my level, ho. Get on my level, bitch. 36 in Minnesota, you know who you fucking with. Baby girl got the pistol hanging straight out of Prada bag. We don't care who you are or where you're from, we still run up on you like, what's up? What's up with them cookies? I'm a triple OG, self-proclaimed street bang, you a rookie. I'm a motherfucking problem, man. I'll just probably just spit this verse and make sure you just come and echo me. We so damn great.
That one looked great. Wow, we're really out here, you know. We're doing so good. The sun's shining. About to wrap the first part of this video. Yay! Then we're gonna go up to the sun. To the sun! Ah, it's a gorgeous day. Look at that roof. It's so pretty. Wow. Yeah. You ready to dance? You ready to dance? Good. Always picking on me. Oh, I was gonna talk to my camera.
Your voice is so raspy. What's up?
But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because blonde hair is great. It's a wrap, folks! High five. Nice. Team. Cool on 3. 1, 2. Cool. 3. Cool. Forgot how to count. Wow, we're done. Great. Photos? Yay. And now I'm gonna go to Seattle Center to film Avery's video. I'm a little tired, but you know what? I'm gonna get through it. Thumbs up. Found my sister. Yeah, we're getting food because the boys are late. Not here yet. I have my bag of stuff. I'm just kicking it around. Out here, gonna shoot. Get some food.
I'm excited.
Yeah, it's gonna be super good. Long day. I'm already so tired. Okay. Oh my!
Do your research.
So we're shooting here at BTS. Oh wow. Oh wow, there's our people, we're late! Beer Fest, what's up? There we go. We have Connor Pierce, Jane and Mr. Avery. Yeah!
Signing on, subscribe!
face. Jane's out there killing it. Jesus Christ. Wow, okay, so it's 5:16 and we finished both video shoots and we were just like hanging out afterwards, so that's why it took like 6 hours altogether from mine that started at 11 and then Avery's that kind of started like 2 something. But yeah, it went really, really well. I'm super excited. You have to look out for those videos. They'll be on Instagram and then on YouTube, my YouTube, and then Avery's YouTube. I'll have the link eventually listed somewhere. If not, check the description and it'll probably be in there. Yeah, shout out to Avery and Connor and Jane and Nikki and Steph and Mike. You guys are all great. Hearts for you guys. And Xavier, who filmed Avery's. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, but I'm really tired, so that was that. And we got a lot of cute photos today, which I'm excited about, and I'll show you some right now.
I'm gonna just rap.
And yeah, okay, I'm probably gonna peace out till next time I see you. I don't know. Okay, bye.
36 in Minnesota, you know who you fucking with, baby girl.